Hi, I'm Marge and welcome to my channel, Marge Eats Wholesome. Today we will be making overnight oats. Let's go. The overnight oats we're making today is actually inspired by MUSH. Today we'll be making two flavors, vanilla and blueberry. Because they do give us the ingredients, we would just be experimenting with them in the kitchen today. Starting with the vanilla oats, we'll need some coconut or almond milk, vanilla extract, dates, a hint of salt, and of course your oats. With my 24-ounce Ninja blender cup, I first place 5 to 6 dates with the seeds removed into the cup. Next, I grab my coconut/almond milk and I pour this into the cup. I'm really eyeballing here, but it should feel close to the max line. I would leave some space in case you want to adjust the flavor later. Then I pour in a little bit of vanilla extract, sprinkle a little bit of salt, and now we blend so everything is perfectly mixed together. And in a couple of seconds, you'll see me struggle to open this lid. Once everything is blended, I would just give it a taste just to make sure it's not too sweet or too bland. If it is flavorless, you can always put in a little more fig or some vanilla extract. If it's too sweet, you can put in a little more milk and just blend it again. In my case, I thought everything tasted pretty good, and so I moved the liquid into a Tupperware and just cleaned the cup to prepare for the blueberry flavor. Moving on to the blueberry oats, we of course need some blueberry, coconut almond milk, a little bit of apple juice, hints of salt, and of course your oats. Unfortunately, my camera did stop recording, so you'll be watching me wash some blueberries instead. But the steps are essentially the same as the vanilla oats. I place some washed blueberries, I use about the whole box here, into the blender cup. Then I add my coconut/almond milk. Again, I fill this almost up to the max line, but of course leave some space for the apple juice as well as for any adjustments later on. I add in the apple juice to sweeten up the mixture and finally sprinkle in a hint of salt. Then you just blend and again taste, adjust, blend again, and place the mixture into the Tupperware once everything tastes perfect. For the final steps, I first placed the oats into some kind of container. I used mason jars here, but I also did use Tupperware, and as you can see, my mason jars are kind of tiny and it's causing a mess. Now add in the blueberry and vanilla mixtures into the jar of oats. You really want to make sure that the oats are completely soaked in the liquid, so just mix well and have the liquid settle to the bottom. Add in more liquid to ensure that the overnight oats are not too dry in the morning. If you have any remaining liquids, again, just top off each jar. This will ensure that the oats are not too dry in the morning. Now put on the lids and ta-da! Just don't forget to put them into the fridge. So we're gonna have my partner taste test this. So he likes to add kiwis to his oats, and so I'm just going to add some kiwi to the overnight oats. Let's see what he thinks. 7 out of 10.